What is PayPal is a question many people ask when they hear about online payment systems. PayPal is an online payment service that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive payments online. It was founded in 1998 and has since become one of the most popular online payment systems in the world. To use PayPal, you need to create an account on their website. You can link your credit or debit card or bank account to your PayPal account. This allows you to make payments online without having to enter your financial information every time you make a purchase. PayPal acts as a middleman between your financial institution and the seller. When you make a payment using PayPal, the seller receives the payment immediately, but the money is not transferred from your account until the seller confirms they have received the payment. One of the key benefits of using PayPal is that it offers a high level of security. PayPal uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your financial information. It also offers buyer protection, which means that if you do not receive an item you purchased, or if the item is not as described, you can dispute the charge and get a refund. PayPal is widely accepted by online merchants and can be used to make payments for a variety of things, including online purchases, invoices, and even in-person payments. Many businesses also use PayPal to send payments to freelancers and contractors. To get the most out of PayPal, it is a good idea to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly. You should also be cautious when making payments to unfamiliar sellers and make sure to only use PayPal on secure websites. In summary, PayPal is a convenient and secure way to make online payments. It offers a high level of protection for buyers and is widely accepted by online merchants. By following best practices and keeping your account information up to date, you can use PayPal with confidence and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer.